His Holiness has never met Jeffrey Epstein. Some recent media reports and social media posts concerning the Epstein files are attempting to link His Holiness the Dalai Lama with Jeffrey Epstein. We can unequivocally confirm that His Holiness has never met Jeffrey Epstein or authorized any meeting or interaction with him by anyone on His Holiness's behalf. The above statement is issued by the private office of His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
And this Grammy goes to Meditations, the Reflections of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. The Dalai Lama.
Okay, I'm not the Dalai Lama, obviously. But my name is Rufus Wainwright, and
on receiving Grammy recognition, His Holiness said, February 2nd, 2026, I received this recognition with gratitude and humility. I don't see it as something personal, but as a recognition of our shared universal responsibility. I truly believe that peace, compassion, care for our environment, and an understanding of the oneness of humanity are essential for the collective well-being of all 8 billion human beings.